Good morning, guys. It is Monday. It's like 9 o'clock. We're supposed to go look at a G8 for John. I'm trying to load up a file for the C5 last minute so he can go take it out there. So while these cars are actually on the 4-post, right there, he was trying to put in some new fuel lines and vibrant, and it's just leaking all over the place and he can't really do too much. Did you get the fitting from John?
Yeah, we put it in.
This one, right?
Yep.
Sweet.
This shit sucks.
Yeah.
It's just like not stopping. I'm like trying to do it while it's leaking now.
Well, he's gonna do some general maintenance on this plugs, and after that, it'll be on the dyno over there.
11 minutes later.
Take this one all the way up. I gotta fix the fuel leak first. It might have just stopped. We might have to prime it. Might have just been a little loose. First I tightened this, but it wasn't this. It was the filter itself.
The filter. Because they didn't do it before, so I figured.
Yeah, like it's weird. I've never seen the filter side leak.
Oh, I see now.
You see,
It moves a little bit.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah. That might be it.
It's not dripping anymore.
Yeah, yeah.
But we should prime it just to be sure.
Logging?
Yeah, we're gonna actually do some logs for Derek.
Bet. We have Rich's car in the back, so as of right now, we're gonna put it on the dyno, do some logging, send it over to the tuner, which is Derek Dunbar. He's got the go-ahead, so we're gonna watch it. There you go. Woo! Yep.
It's gonna crack.
Cutouts open or close?
That's closed.
That door was literally on the line. Like on the, it was literally resting right there.
It's just the back. You can change it. It's for catch can.
One of the hoses was resting on his tensioner.
Oh, shit.
Just we need some rubber hose.
Alright, we'll be back.
It's spilling every fucking where. I need wrenches and rags. No, I just need the fitting. Yeah, the book bag handle down.
Book back handle jump.
You should have fixed this shit when he told you to.
Shifted it so it's really the highest number, the highest point. So it's obviously not a 1028. It's more like 678. So second pull, 678, not bad. I like it. I like it.
$685.
680 horsepower at 146, so it's good numbers. And the cutouts are open on that. Well, if you don't know what cutouts are, they're just basically, literally, they're cutouts before the mufflers. They're open right now. If you have them closed, that means all the air is flowing through the mufflers, and it's basically quieter. So if you have a really loud car, and you're not trying to be super loud for your neighbors, something like that, or trying to sneak up on somebody, or just trying to be a sleeper, then you could get cutouts and it'll just be super quiet until you really want to show them some action. You open them up and the car just goes from like 0 to 100. Like the noise level just gets crazy. But it's super nice. Unlike me, I just have straight pipe, so straight. Bye.
Trying to load up a file for the C5 last minute, so he go take it out there.
Trying to load up a file for the C5 last minute, so he go take it out there. After that, if we complete this in time, we'll get some E85 and then drive it out and show up to buy a car, hopefully. Yeah, it's not misfiring. What do we love? E85. Oh.
If we don't do no crazy pools, we'll be fine.
Yeah, but it's you.
Everything seems to be okay.
Amazingly, almost every time he's driving his car, he ends up popping the bolt off. So we're just trying to make sure it's gone correctly and on tight, at least, so that if and when we do any pulls, we'll be okay.
I don't know if all the fuel we put at the shop actually crossed over into the second tank.
Oh yeah.
Boy, it had to, because it only took
That's
9
18.
gallons. So that other tank has got it, because it has 2 9-gallon tanks, right? And it's clicking at 8.5 gallons.
So one was full.
Yeah, so one tank was full. I just don't know which tank was full.
Yeah.
So I was trying to make sure that tank had
Are both of
fuel.
them on this side, or it's
No,
one and
there's
one?
A tank here and a tank there. There's 9 gallons here and 9 gallons there, and then there's a crossover on the top.
Yeah.
So when one fills, it fills the other one. But the original pump's been running off of the driver's side tank, which it would just cross over when one gets empty. It's like gravity fed.
Yeah.
Right. So now the second pump we've tapped from the second tank. So now we have a pump
remember.
going from each tank.
Yeah.
Right. I'm like flooding this bitch with fuel.
He's trying to hit 9 gallons so bad. Alright, there you go. 9 on the dot. Alright, so you want to tell him what we're going to do? Or what we're on our way to do?
So we're on the way to go look at a G8 that we're possibly about to buy. You guys follow us on Instagram and Facebook and stuff. We'll drop that below. But actually, Berto and them went out to Jersey and picked up a Chrysler SRT 300. Previous owner said it had a bad motor. Turned out, lucky for us, it was just lifters. So we put a cam in it, lifters, bolt-ons and stuff, and we ended up flipping the car. I think we sold it Friday.
Friday or Saturday?
This past Friday or Saturday, right?
Yeah.
So now it's Monday. We want an SS, but we can't afford an SS for the budget of what we're trying to do at the moment. We're gonna go get the next best thing, which is a G8. So if this car works out, it'll be it. If it's not, the other one's in Florida.
Oh yeah.
This one's 30 minutes from our shop. Currently it's knocking, or maybe another lifter tap car. Honestly, we don't care what's wrong with it, as long as the price is right. We're gonna buy it, book it on transport, and send it home. We'll tear into it and build it. Meanwhile, we're multitasking and we're test driving the Vet since we just finished doing the whole new fuel system on it. So we were losing fuel on the top side, like after 6,000 RPM, after we tried to turn the boost and all that up. Ours pretty much almost been on wastegate all this time. We added a second fuel pump in the system and bigger injectors. We're doing some data logs just on normal drive, nothing crazy. Then we'll see where we get.
So there's a little update. Like he said, we're on our way to go see the G8. So when we get there, you guys will see it. Hopefully, I won't shoot too much because privacy to the current owner, and says, you know, his household and all that stuff. But if we do get it, we'll let you know. If we don't get it, we'll let you know. So see you guys
And
there.
Ash is gonna meet us there. 'Cause it's like 10 minutes from his house.
Yeah, he actually lives closer to us.
Yeah, so it's like, I'm not going to the shop, I'll just meet you guys there.
Yeah, pretty much.
So, we're gonna go try to buy a G8 for a very cheap price.
Very.
But I think it was a bad idea that we're pulling up in a turbo Vet and a
V3. 2019 V3.
So, it is what it is, but we have cash in pocket, and we're gonna go make it happen. If the guy wants the dance.
Alright, so we just made it to the place. We'll just update you guys when we're all done.
Yeah, I don't know how they feel about us recording their house.
Yeah, I don't think we should do it.
Yeah, so
They have a Crown Vic out there though. I might tag Cletus McFarland.
they do have a Crown Vic.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, so this is the G8 we just bought. So it's pretty clean. It has a couple issues, but nothing we can't fix. Alright, so as you guys saw, we have the G8 now. It has some body damage and stuff like that, but
Very minor. It needs like a fender. I mean, nothing we can't fix. It's not that bad. Sounds like it has possibly failed LS7 lifters because the car has a cam and lifters and a DOD delete already done to it. Ironically, which is the craziest thing in the world, I know the guy that had the car before him. This is even crazier. The guy that tunes it is Sky, who tunes this car, which is insane. One of my very good friends. Sky's a great guy, one of the best tuners I know. But Sky tuned that car because Sky at one time had like the fastest G8 in like the world or whatever. It ran like 8s. So I called Sky, or I texted him while we were there. I sent him a picture. I said, "Do you know this car?" He goes, "Yeah, I know exactly what car that is." And I told him I was buying it. So he's like, "Turbo and let's send it." And that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, so we bought it. It's on a tow truck back to the shop, and it's a rare color too. Those colors are really rare.
Striker Metallic Blue.
Yeah, Striker Metallic Blue is a really rare G8 color. They came, even the V1s actually came in that color, or very similar to that color.
Yeah, we had like a blue greenish.
But
Yeah.
they were even more. Those were rare too. So
Yeah.
honestly, in the videos, I thought the car was gunmetal. Interior is like super clean.
Yeah,
really
no
nice.
cracks in the leather. In the
Yeah,
leather
like
seats,
the
no
seats,
cracks.
the wheels are nice. It's got Camaro 20s on it.
And Brembo brakes.
Yeah, it's got 6-piston brakes up front.
Yeah.
So it has a pretty nice little setup on it, which is a great base for us to start on what we are actually going to do with the car.
Yeah. When we get there, we'll show you guys the car and everything. So, see you guys at the shop. How do you like your new car?
How do I like my new car?
Yes, sir.
I like it. I like it better when it's built.
Let's just do a little walk around the car. So, start at the back. Yeah, that's my favorite part. It has a couple body damages. So, like right there, the fender isn't super aligned well. It has Camaro rims on it, followed by the Brembos. So 4-piston Brembos in the back. Yeah, inside's pretty clean. Pontiac symbol right there. Seats, no cracks, just wear, but that's normal. So yeah, and up front still has the Camaro rims, but it has 6-piston brakes. So it's definitely a plus. Motor. We still have to, break it down and see what it actually is. We're not sure if it's a lifter or if just a cam bearing. That's what the previous owner told us that it might be, but it does have this damage right here. I did miss that by accident, but we're actually gonna get that all fixed up. It's gonna be looking way better. So John should be on a 17-inch soon. Maybe some skinnies up front. You're gonna see a lot more of it. So recommendations down below in the comments.
I want to do it because it's fun. It's fun to do bad things.
But did you know that you could perhaps
Gap.
somebody?
Yes, but I wanted to do hood rat stuff with my friends.
Take it back! That's how we do. That's a small block. Hell yeah!